Hello, I'm Madhu, and today we're going to make tandoori chicken. Tandoori chicken is one of the most popular chicken dishes ordered in Indian restaurants. In Indian restaurants, as well as in India, it is made in a clay oven called tandoor, hence the name tandoori chicken. So let's get started. When I buy chicken, you want to get it skinned, and I have the butcher do that. I want to keep the bones in, as the bones add a lot of flavor to the chicken. I like to buy a variety of chicken pieces, thighs, drumsticks, and breasts, so people can choose whether they want to eat white meat or dark meat. Cut small onion into big pieces because we're going to blend this. Add the onions, 2 garlic cloves, and about a teaspoon of ginger, so 2 pieces is good. And then I'm going to add about a half a cup of tomato sauce. Just a canned tomato sauce works very well. And a half a cup of plain yogurt. All right, now let's add the spices. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of garam masala, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now, if you have guests who do not tolerate heat, use less of the cayenne pepper. So this is a half a teaspoon, and I'm going to just use a little bit, okay? It'll have all the flavors without the heat, and it's totally fine. Traditional tandoori chicken is red in color, and it does use red food color. To keep it authentic, I am going to add about 10 to 12 drops of red food color, but if you're opposed to adding food color, just leave it out. You know, it's not going to be the same red tandoori chicken as you see in restaurants, but it'll have all the taste and flavor. Now you can see how red it is, and that's kind of the typical color we want to see. Just pour this over. Okay. I want to get all my spice blend here. Coat the chicken with the sauce. Give it a few good stirs. Typically, I like to cover it with saran wrap, but today I seem to be out of saran wrap. So we're going to just cover it with aluminum foil. Marinate it from 4 to 24 hours. I did this one last night. And so what I'm going to do is put this on a broiler pan. I like to just stir it nice and well. So we're going to put this chicken in a preheated oven on the middle shelf. I'm going to get my platters ready. We need some lemons. Cut the lemon. I have some frozen naan in my freezer always, so I heated them. I'm going to turn these over, and I'm going to cook it another 10 minutes on this side. But all I'm going to do now is turn it over one more time. We're going to change it to broil and broil on high. Wow, it's perfect. There's a little charred spots, and I want that. That gives me the look of a chicken as if it came right out of the tandoor. All right, we're going to transfer our nice hot chicken onto our serving platter. Squeeze a little lemon on it, and we're going to go tiny wet. Oh, it's so moist and flavorful. It's low in calories and low in saturated fat. For more recipes, go to my website, cuisineofindia.com. Until next time, enjoy.